I will not be doing a video of this in this video. Only because it's very loud. But as far as the series of videos I've been putting out, this should be next. But not tonight. We'll do this one right now. Anyway, this is a Emerson 42-inch spinner, Northwind. I forget. Yeah, that's the model, Northwind. I forgot for a second. Emerson Northwind 42-inch in brown with stencil blades. I have 3 of these, this one being one of 3. I have the polished brass with cane, and then I have white with stencil. I have not done a video on this one yet. But anyway, I got this from Metal Pete F Animation probably 3, maybe 4 trips ago. But anyway, we'll start it up on low. And yes, it would hit this fan right here if it was lower. But it clears that one. It has a pretty calm low speed. It throws out a nice gentle breeze. Nothing too crazy. Go medium. The harmonics in the background is not this fan, it's the other Laguna. Pretty good air mover. Very quiet. Go to high. Now this thing moves pretty fast. Really good air mover too. Really good air mover. I don't remember it moving that. I don't remember McCain one moving that much air. But anyway, that's it. And until next time.